separate topic. I have a 1975 Willys DJ5D Supervisor's Jeep left-hand drive that I pulled the passenger seat out and sent off to an upholsterer many months ago. It's been returned. It's just beautiful, and I'm going to have to swap out the passenger seat that I put on the driver's side and move them around. But again, waiting for some warm weather. So, morning and welcome to the shop. Brutally cold out there this morning. Not brutally cold, it's freezing point, but it's beautiful and sunny. I've got the Postal Jeep seat in the back of my SUV, and I think I'm going to try and swap out the passenger seat and put the driver's seat in somehow and see if I can't make it happen before I freeze to death. So we'll see what happens. I had a friend tell me once, your YouTube channel is confusing. You've got Kit Fox airplanes in it, you've got welding videos, you've got guitar music, you've got all sorts of things. And I was like, I'm sorry, that's who I am. Anyway, I'd like to thank you all for watching the channel, and click the subscribe link over here if you think I'm worth it. And again, I appreciate you. As I said a moment ago, Russell's Upholstery in Illahee, Washington, Bremerton, near Seattle, did a really nice job of this upholstery. It's a little bit loose right near the headrest. That's the only flaw I can see, and I suspect that when I lay my head up against it, after a while it'll settle itself out. there it is. For the first time since I bought the Jeep, both seats are in again. And then certainly the driver's seat is looking better. I'm thrilled. It's going to be a nice improvement to have 2 seats in there. I can actually take my sweetie for a ride around the block if she's willing to risk her life. Anyway, thanks for watching.